Welcome to Lunch Money Club. Click the login button top right. Now enter your username and password. This will take you to your home screen that you can easily navigate. For this example, we're going to go to LMC Savings. Now you can see discounts in your local area. For example, I'm in Reno. There's 20 pages of discounts. To change your location is easy. Either click the zip code or the city. For example, I'm going to Las Vegas, so I click the city. Now we're seeing discounts in Las Vegas, Nevada. There are 32 pages of discounts. Just for example, Konos, there's a $25 savings. You can easily simplify your search by clicking on the icons to the left: restaurants, automotive, family, golfing, entertainment, etc. When you click travel, oh my gosh. Let the savings begin. For this example, I chose Las Vegas, Nevada for Valentine's Day. We get discounts at more than 244 hotels. Here are just a few. Hilton, we're saving $66. Bellagio, we're saving $123. And at the Cosmopolitan, we save $106. We can actually stay for as little as a few dollars. Just simply adjust your search options on the left. Now, if you like to cruise, this is another place Lunch Money Club really shines. Simply select cruise and then pick a location. For this example, I chose the Caribbean. Now, select your cruise line or leave it open. You can also easily select how many days you want to go. I chose 7 days and 1,221 cruises popped up. Wow, for example, MSC just popped up. We've got 67% off their normal price at $1,293. We start at $399. And kids 17 and under sail for free. This is a 7-night Western Caribbean cruise. It goes all over the place, and they're going to give you up to $250 to spend on board. We've always been a fan of Royal Caribbean. Take a look at this one. Here's Rhapsody of the Seas. It starts as low as $474. Kids sail free, and 60% off your second guest. You can also earn up to $1,000 to spend on board. How does it get any better than this? This was just a small sampling of over 500,000 discounts throughout North America. Tell your friends, have them join Lunch Money Club's Discount Revolution. We can all win and save together.